Hello, dear traders. Last Friday, stock markets were gripped by uncertainty due to geopolitical tensions and the Fed's plans on rate hikes. Inflation hurls at a multi-year highs, while supply chain disruptions remain a thorny issue for many countries. Sales also decline due to higher prices, which adversely affect companies' profits. All these factors are also weighing on stock markets around the world. Let's discuss the main highlights of the Asian session. Wall Street investors are rather pessimistic. Last Friday, the market closed mixed. Today, the S&P 500 index decreased by 0.72%. Even upbeat US existing home sales data failed to facilitate growth. In January, they rose by 6.7%. However, the overheated housing market is one of the reasons for monetary policy tightening. This is why economic and geopolitical headwinds are now in the limelight. Today, tensions eased slightly, so the US dollar went down. However, demand for the greenback as a safe haven asset is still high. Now it's trading at 95.74 and it's likely to stay in the range of 95.40 and 96.00. Asian stock markets are also vulnerable to news about the Russian-Ukraine conflict. Apart from that, investor sentiment turned sour due to weak PMI data. The composite PMI sank from 49.9 to 44.6. The manufacturing PMI declined to 52.9 from 55.4 to 52.9, while the services PMI totaled 42.7 versus 47.6. At the market opening, the Nikkei 225 fell by 0.75%. Apparently, Japan's stock market is also gripped by bearish sentiment. Last Friday, it closed with a decline of 0.4%. As for the dollar-yen pair, it approached 114.94. The yen is now stronger than the US dollar. It seems that it also won luster with the investors as a safe haven currency, and now the pair is trading with a bearish bias in the range of 114.84 and 115.12. If the price reaches the Friday low of 114.80, it's likely to dive down to 113.33. The Aussie managed to add gains last Friday amid risk and sentiment. However, today it weakened. As we forecast in Friday's review, the AUD-USD pair did reach the target level of 0.7227, yet it rolled back from it. Australia unveiled positive macro stats today. The manufacturing PMI rose to 56.4 from 46.6, while the services PMI climbed to 57.6 from 55.1. And the S&P ASX 200 index also advanced, having added 0.16%. Meanwhile, the AUD-USD pair is trying again to break through the 0.7227 level. It has already hit the 0.7219 level. The attempt is unlikely to be successful, as today is a public holiday in the United States, so trading floors are closed there. This is why the pair is expected to remain in the range of 0.7168 and 0.7225. It's also possible that the next target level will be 0.7065. A sell signal will appear on the chart if the price drops below 0.7165. And that's all for now. Subscribe to our channel and stay up to date with the latest market news. Feel free to leave comments or ask your questions. See you!